Exploring the most annoying sound when trying to sleep. Have you ever been kept awake by a sound that just won't let you drift off into dreamland? In the dead of night, when all is quiet, there's that one noise that seems to amplify, echoing in your ears. It could be the relentless ticking of a clock, the distant barking of a dog, or even the soft hum of a refrigerator. Whatever it is, it's enough to drive you to the brink of madness. You toss and turn, trying to drown it out, but it persists, a constant reminder of your sleepless state. As the minutes turn into hours, frustration sets in, and you find yourself longing for the sweet embrace of slumber. But that elusive sound continues its relentless assault on your senses, mocking your exhaustion. So, tell me, dear listeners, what is the most annoying sound in the world when you're trying to sleep? Share your experiences and let's unravel the mystery of sleepless nights together.